friends, I'm Kanishk. I'm from India and I'm in 5th grade. Today I want to demonstrate how to purify water. Here we have with us some pure water, soil and leaves. Mixing them together would give us a solution like pond water. Let us mix it. Now the leaves. And now we stir it. Now we've made our water, but the problem is how do we purify all this? So to purify all this, I've got some materials out here. So as you see, I've got 2 cups, a cotton, a filtrate in the form of cloth, and a rubber band. Now I will show you all how I can filter this very impure water and make it little more pure. Now I am going to set this up so this will act like a filter. First, I put this cotton over here and I place it. Just like this. Then I put this cup on top of this way. Now we have 1 layer and 2 layers. This is the place where the water will get received. The cotton will take some impurity. This is our first layer. We put this here to take away the small impurities. Now we've got our filter ready and we're all set to purify this. So first, in this tiny glass, I take some water. Then I slowly pour it in this. As you can see, I poured little water and that water got collected in the cotton and little water, as you see, has come. Once again. Now, just a small question. Actually, this process where I pour the water here is called decantation. But how does the water come pure out here? The water comes pure because when I pour it through here, some little impurities get collected here and the rest of the impurities get collected in this cotton and then we get our pure water. Let us put it again. As you can see, the water just flowed down. Can you see it? The little drops of water are coming down. And you can see that this water is much more pure than this. Can you see it? Can you see how fast this is going? And how much more pure it is? So that is all for today, guys. So let us just recap what we have learned. In this lesson, we learned the process of loading, the process of decantation and filtration. Thank you and I hope you enjoyed.